Good afternoon, fifth graders. The lesson today is Unit 12, lesson number 3, to solve multi-step problems. Multi-steps has another meaning, many steps. 2 steps or 3 steps, not 1 steps, to solve the problem. That means you need to do the problem with using operations into 2 steps or more, not only 1 step. So, multi-steps means many steps. 2 steps or more. Sometimes 3 or 4 steps to solve the problem and get the answer you need. Let us remember and recall the metric system. Kilometer to smaller unit, meter to smaller unit, centimeter and millimeter. These are length units. So how about weight units? They are kilometer, gram and milligram. Units of volume are kiloliter, liter and milliliter. According to customary system or units, length units are mile, yard, feet or foot, inch. For the units of weight are ton, pound and ounce, الأوقية. For the volume units are gallon, quarts, pints, cups and fluid ounces. Okay, so we will use them when solving problems, but I want to explain something very important. بدي أفسر شيء ضروري جدا قبل أن نبدأ بالدرس. Here is a blank slide. See, if I say I have 9 cups and I used half of them, استخدمت النصف. Can I say 9 minus half? No. Half cannot be subtracted like this way, so it is wrong. First, I need to know the amount of the half from 9 cups. أريد أعرف كمية النصف ل9 أكواب. Then بدنا نعرف قيمة النصف كم، أو نصف 9 كم، مش نصف 1، نصف 9. I can find the amount of half by multiplying 9 times 1 and over 2 equal. Let us multiply. 9 times 1 equal 9 over 2. Now you can write it as a mixed number or simplify or divide. You can use anyway. 9 divided by 2 equal 4 and half. Now we know the amount of half. When we say half of 9 means 4 and half. لما نقول نصف 9 معناته 4 أكواب ونصف. إذا لمعرفة قيمة الكسر من عدد هي عن طريق عملية الضرب. تذكروا. So to know the amount of a fraction of a number, you can find it using multiplication. خلينا نبدأ بالدرس. Let us start. I will do this example. This problem needs 3 steps to solve it. See, now let us underline and highlight the key terms. 2 yards. Okay. They ate 2/3. عندك الساندويش طوله 2 يارد. الضيوف أخذوا منه 2 من 3. 2 over 3. And here you have to find the answer with inch. So 3 steps. First step, convert. Convert yard to inch. Second step, you need to know the amount of 2/3 from 2 yard. بدنا نعرف قيمة شو معنى الثلثين من 2 يارد. Okay, so we need to multiply. Number 3, see the question here, how many left الباقي, so we need to subtract. So we are going to use 3 steps to solve the problem. Okay, now let us convert. Yard, we have 2 yard. I want to change it to inch, so from large to small. Let us go to the slide of units. From yard to inch, so I multiply by 3, then I multiply by 12 to reach inch unit. So I multiply by 3, then I multiply by 12. Let us find the yard in inch. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 12 equals 72 feet or foot, no problem. See? Now I need to know the value of 2/3 from 72. So you remember this way. If you need to know the value of fraction from any number, you need to use multiplication. Let us find the value or the amount of 2/3. So now we have 72. So we need to multiply. We say 72 multiplied by 2/3. Let us multiply the whole number by the numerator. 72 times 2 equal 144 over the denominator is 3. Now we can use division and long division. 144 divided by 3 using the long division, the answer will be 48. 48. Okay, so the answer is 48. The people or the guest 8 اللي أكلوها الضيوف قيمة 2 من 3 هي 48. 48 inch. Sorry, here we converted it to inch. Sorry, I forgot inch. Okay, now we need to remove 48 to know how many left. عشان نعرف الباقي نقوم بإزالة 48. So now we have 72 long sandwich minus الكمية اللي أكلوها هي 48. 48 equal 24. 24. You can use it in a column way. You can say 72 minus 48 and find the answer. It's 42. That is the amount left. 42 inch. And we answered the question with inch. You can do with other questions the same way, but you need to know. Sometimes you need to use 2 steps, some other times you need to use 3 or 4 steps. But let us underline the keyword here. 3 yards. They use or he uses 1/3. So here the question should be present. What is the name? In feet. So we need to convert yard to feet. So the first step is to convert from yard to feet. The second step, we need to know the amount of third from the total. The third step, we will see if we have left here. We need to subtract. So convert, multiply, subtract. Okay, convert 3 yard to feet. From yard to feet, from yard to feet here, you multiply by 3. So 3 times 3 equal 9 feet. Okay, now we finished the first step. The second step, we need to know the value of 1/3. So we multiply by 9. So 9 times 1/3 equal 9 over 3 equal 3. 3 he used, but we need to know the remaining or how many left. So we need to subtract. 9 minus 3 equals 6 feet. Okay, so the remainder or the leftover is 6 feet. Look at this question from the first site I can tell it needs 2 steps, not 3. Convert and subtract. You have 4 kilograms. Here you have in grams, so we need to convert. Step number 1. The answer is in kilo, so we can convert grams to kilo. That is the first step. Then after she removes, so subtract. So 2 steps. Let us convert 120 gram to gram equal. Let us go from gram to gram, from gram to gram in metric system. We divide by 1000 because it's from small to large. So 120 divided by 1000 equal, so I cross 10 here, 10 here. 12 divided by 100, so I move the decimal point 2 digits to the left, so the answer will be 0.12 kilogram. Now I need to subtract. Let us do it here. Okay, now how many kilo we have? We have 4 kilo minus 0.12. You can't do it in a column way. 4 minus that. Now there is a way to how to write decimals under whole number. What comes under whole number? 4, 0, because we don't have the whole number in the second factor. I write 12. Above I can write 0, 0 and dot to make it complete and in a good alignment. So we subtract 0 minus 2, we cannot, so the next 0 has nothing, so I take 1 from 4, it will be 3. Here will be 10. I take 1 from 10 will be 9, and here will be 10. 10 minus 2 equal 8, and here 9 minus 1 equal 8. Dot down, and 3 minus 0, 3. Okay, so the remainder is 3.88 kilogram. So that is the answer. So you can do similar way with other exercises. No need to explain more. Thank you for watching and listening.